The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Jackson County, northwestern Jefferson County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles south of Pottawatomie Reservation and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Mayette around 6:20 p.m. Denison around 6:30 p.m. Valley Falls around 6:40 p.m. Nortonville around 6:45 p.m. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows.